So supper pancakes are just, you know, you can fill them with almost anything. No, I really love this recipe though, because when you put it in the pan, it's not super thin. It naturally, because it puffs up a little bit, is a little bit thicker. So it kind of reminds me of like an Austrian Palatschinken, which I know is a weird, obscure reference, but somewhere between a pancake and a crepe. I can cook up some sausages, roll them in the fat until they get nice and brown and caramelized. And then I can cook some greens in that pan. We cook these in a little bit of water, just like a little bit with a cover on. And you have to cook them for 20 to 25 minutes at least. And it just like kind of picks up this caramelized edge. I also like to just put ham and cheese, roll that up, and have like a salad on top, a little bit of mustard, a little Dijon. You can also go sweet, of course.
Juicy. Juicy.